Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Knew She Was Hiding Something. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
This 20-year-old thought she could get away with speeding after giving the officers a fake name.
Hello, do you have a driver's license on you?
I do not.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay, is this your vehicle?
No, it's my friend's.
Okay, just hang out right here for a minute, okay? What's your first name?
Abby. Abigail.
Abigail? A-B-I-G-A-I-L?
Yes.
And your middle initial? Your last name? I spell that. And your birthday?
04/15/2002.
Okay. The reason I'm stopping you is this for speeding, 81 and 55, okay?
It's 55?
Yeah.
I thought it was like 7 back.
What's your current address? Where's that at?
It's in...
Where are you headed to this evening?
I'm heading to go see my friend. He's got like a pool and hot tub and stuff.
Anything to drink tonight?
No.
All right, just hang over here for me, okay?
Okay.
Now, is your license valid?
Yes.
Okay.
Echo 575.
Go ahead.
I have no grip out for anything. Can you just verify the spelling of the last name for me?
Go ahead to her.
Okay, okay, looking. Is she supposed to have a Florida deal?
That's what she said.
Okay, I'll find her. Stand by.
Hey, Abigail, your license is out of Florida, correct?
No, it's from Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything with your name on it in this car?
First one, last name, please.
Is it valid out of Kentucky?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have my wallet on me, so... And all these papers have... that's the name on it.
Okay. All right, just hang out right here for a minute, okay? 575. Now she's saying it might be out of Kentucky, if you can try that.
I think I found her. I have an Elizabeth with the same last name. Date of birth of 4/15/2003. So far.
So far.
She got a valid ID card only out of Hudson. -1.
All right. Is there anything with your name on it and a picture?
A picture. I don't have my wallet, so I don't have any identification.
Like, do you have Facebook?
Isn't that crazy? Look at where we have gone today, where we have officers asking for the Facebook page. Yo, oh man, the internet is a crazy, crazy place.
Is there your wallet right there?
Yeah, but it doesn't have anything at this
Okay. Because they can't find you anywhere, so I need something with your name on it.
And that's my Snapchat.
What?
I have my Snapchat.
Okay, how about Facebook? Do you have Facebook account? You have Facebook. You what? You what?
Facebook is usually used like older people.
You have Instagram, is that?
That was my picture right there.
Okay, so is your name Elizabeth or is it Abigail?
Abigail.
Okay, so what's that name right there?
Els.
What?
Els. E-L-Z-Z.
Is it for Elizabeth?
No. People just call me Els.
Okay, so what's your birthday again?
04/15/2002.
4/15/2002. Okay, and there's nothing with your name on it. What?
I don't have anything with my name on it. I don't have an ID on me.
Okay, so how do I even know who you are? I mean, this is an issue. Okay, so you have a driver's license out of Kentucky, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it's
Yes.
and your date of birth is 4/15/2002?
Yes.
He don't want to take her to jail,
The
but
female
she
tried
going.
her best to maintain her story when she was questioned by another officer who later arrived on the scene, but she couldn't provide any physical evidence for her claim.
Go look at the. Well, first look at this. See if that's her.
Okay.
Because she gave me same last name, same month and day, but different year. But the same last name, and she's from, or she said she's coming from Port Richey, which is up in Hudson.
Right.
But I can't find anything in her from, because she's saying her ID is out of Kentucky. They obviously can't find anything out of Kentucky. So just go see if you think that is her driving.
Okay, because she's just ID card. Well,
Right.
how tall is she supposedly?
She's supposedly,
I gotta guess low fives.
yeah, this is 5'2", which that's about how tall she is.
She's staying with it, but doesn't know her social. I can pull up a.
No,
Have you got an actual picture for the Kentucky?
So this is Elizabeth.
Okay.
She gave me Abigail.
Well, that's what she says, Abigail. And she's still claiming 415 of 02.
This is 45003.
Right.
Because this is her, correct?
Yeah, sure looks like it.
Okay.
And how tall?
This says 5'3".
Yeah, she's telling me 5'4".
Okay, she's suspended. Okay, I'm good out in
Busted.
the one that I just showed you was out of Kentucky. The first one that you looked at was out of Florida. Elizabeth, hop out for me.
I'm sorry?
Hop out for me. All right, over here. I'm going to ask you some questions I already know the answers to, okay? So your answers depend on whether you go to jail or not tonight.
I hope I don't.
What's your first name?
Elizabeth, you just call me my name.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
in custody.
Stupid, man.
Take off there, you was fine so far.
You thought you would get away with that?
Take off 178,
Get out first, sir.
Okay.
All right. With those rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? Why? I mean, this could have been avoided 20 minutes ago.
Because I'm an idiot.
Why did you give me Abigail instead of your real name, Elizabeth?
Because I didn't go to jail. I don't know.
I mean, why would you go to jail?
And I'm not 100% positive that my license is valid.
Oh, it's not valid.
Okay.
Okay, so
That's what I'm...
you would have gotten a ticket for it, but instead you are going to go to jail. Okay.
He's really...
This all could have been avoided 20 minutes ago. Okay. If you told me who, I walked up to the car multiple times and asked you what your name was. You said it was Abigail. Okay. I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt, but after the fourth time and two of us here asking you what your name is, and you're still then saying it was Elizabeth, and then when I called you your name, you said, sure, I'll hop out. I mean, that was a clue. All right?
Please,
So-
Joe, not really.
So you have a
I'm not
driver's
really-
license, hold on, you have a driver's license suspended out of Kentucky and one suspended out of, or no valid DL in this state. Okay? So, sucks to be you, but this car is being towed, okay? So, what? Well, yeah, the owner of the car. This isn't your car.
Please don't take me to jail. Like, I'm literally...
I gave
can't
you-
afford it.
I gave you
Please.
plenty of I walked up to the car 4 times. He walked up there. You had like about 6 times to tell me who you were. And you didn't. Okay? So that's why you're in handcuffs and that's why you're going to jail tonight. Okay?
Sir, please do not take me to jail.
Why?
Honestly, I can't afford it.
Okay? Maybe you should have thought about that like the 3rd time I walked up and asked you what your name was. And the other clue was when I asked you to pull up your Instagram, and it said, what was it, LD or ZZY,
Yes.
which is short for Elizabeth. Okay?
Please don't take me to. I hate to say it back, but
Terrible liar, man. Terrible liar. And she don't understand that in the database, most of the times when it pops up, your driver's license photo pops up. So like they can see, you know what I mean? They can see a photo of you most of the time. Come on, man.
You can beg all you want, but
I can't afford it. Please.
All this was going to be was a ticket, okay? But you wasted all of our time. Okay, so.
I'll take the ticket. I literally cannot go to jail, please.
You're a female.
Oh, you're getting the
Please
ticket.
don't. We have a female officer that's going to come and search you. Is there anything on you?
No.
Okay, your phone's going to come with you. Is there anything else in the car that you want to come with you?
No.
Apart from providing a fake ID, a search of her car revealed that the female was also carrying weed without a proper license.
You got anything on you that's gonna hurt me, stick me, poke me? Well, it's not the easiest.
Yeah, a little rotten blood. Another veteran does huge blue goose.
I hate those ones.
I feel like I should be cleaning the bathroom or something of those.
Yeah. Do you have shorts or anything on underneath this? Okay. One more. All right.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna go back and see. Careful, hard plastic, they clean up nice. Probably if they could remember from it, what would you do that? What should be the only check?
Anything else? Perfect.
All right, hop out for me, okay? We'll walk over to that van over there, okay?
My wallet has a bunch of numbers in it.
Okay.
And
All right, I'll get your wallet and your phone's coming with you. And once you get down there, they will let you get numbers out of your phone, okay? What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
Go ahead and put your feet under the step there, widen your stance from it. Nothing on you shouldn't have, right? No drugs, weapons, nothing like that. Let it down. Put your hands up on it.
345, go for check in.
Go ahead and drop your hands once.
She gets to be cuffed in the front.
Here's her stuff. I just have to get her wallet for her. I'll get to go. Was her wallet in there?
There was a...
Or do you have, I mean, like a small little black one?
Basically this that had that and some drugs in it. Yeah, she had it broken. She stuffed that down between the her seat and console. Just right up in front. This was in there. These were all in there, and a little bit of weed was in there. I moved all the weed into here. So, take it. This, I don't know what the but it doesn't really look like it's much in it. She's got a ton of candy that's floating around there too. So 50, 60.
The female was charged with providing a false ID to a law enforcement officer. YouTube thinks you'll love.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.